Hey there. This video, we're going to talk about what's new with the Google Developer Program. So we got an amazing console over here, which is called Builder Hub. That's what they call it. Now, let's look into what it is all about and how a developer can use it and how it makes it easy, or comparing to the previous developer program user interface, how it kind of making it easy for you to gather around all the places and get all the information at the same place. All right. So before heading started into it, so this has been managed by these two people, and you can find this written blog over here, and you can also connect with them. So they are the people behind this Builder Hub. You can follow them on the LinkedIn, and let's get started into it and understand what it is all about. So Google kind of call it as a friend door for the developer, right? So when you go to the Google Developer Group over here, you will be having, or you can just search Builder Hub directly, or you will be having direct link over here, or you can just check below in the comment box or description to see the link. So you can go to the Access Builder Hub now. So this is how the platform looks like. So before coming to the For You page, let me cover what all features it does have. Now, articles. So this is a place where it has complete list of articles. For example, there's something called Google Keyword, which is a blog from Google where they update all the official information from the Google. For example, if they are launching something new or an API or something like that, so they just come over here and post about it and tell you how to use it. And this will be done by the Googlers, so people who works at Google. Now, so you get to know what's latest in the from the Google official sources, and you have this developer related SDK talks RSS field appearing over here. And at the end, the main purpose is just this, to get a unified platform. For example, now if you are a Android app developer, so you will be having a Google Play console where you update your APK, the images, those kind of things, and you will be having the Firebase console where maybe I can show you just, it would be looking somewhat like this, where you have a backend things, verification, those kind of things will be appearing over here. So this has been unified in your project section. So once you link your Google account, it will automatically appear all the apps which you have been made so far, and along with the Google Cloud, everything. Now, in the learning thing, you have the recommended learning phase for you. So as right now, I told you, like I just work on Android and Firebase, right? Now, it also gives me a suggested recommendation that, oh, I haven't seen your app is using any font verification. So why don't you just use this? So it just has a particular course. Maybe I can take it for 30 minutes. Then I can just go and implement the same thing in my app. So it's not just that you have, of course, related to AI agent, Gemini, and other Android SDKs, infinite amount of things. And also you can have a filter over here where you can filter by. Now the interesting part is like the community. So initially it was pretty hard to join and understand which community you've been part of. So this is in all in one place where you can become a member of these community just by clicking over here, entering your location, and whether you're a student or organization member, then you just join the organization. So for example, Google I/O is happening in 2 weeks of time, so you can just join their community members and see what's up, new updates from them. Now the benefits. So this is the way that Google give back to the community in terms of like $35 credits for each month for you to use for learning Google skills on Google Cloud, and you have invitation to the community events if you, based on how well you interact with the community, and you also will be having a preferred access to the private previews. So I will just explain you how to get this in the next video. So yeah, so far it's all about, and you also have a showcase your skills. Now it's pretty easy to enhance your career. For example, over here you can see all the badges which you've been accumulated throughout the time period. So from 2021, or I've been part of this, and you can see all the badges. For example, if you attend any of the IO events, so you will be having those badges appearing over here. Now, it also do offers you a subscription, paid and free one. The standard is a free one. The paid one is more or looks like this, where you will be having the premium and the enterprise one. So this is how they've been offering. So I will be providing the link below, so you can just go and learn more about it. And I would recommend you to opt for all the email preferences, so you don't just miss out anything. So you can also enable this connected account, so all the projects will be appearing. And I do suggest you to make your profile public and customize your URL. And on the For You page, so this is the whole concept. So this is again a unified console area for all the development related stuff. So you can see benefits, projects, your learnings, and the new events coming up, and the articles from the Google directly itself in one single platform. So let me know your thoughts as a developer on having this console page. Is going to be making it easy for you, or this is just another console where you will be cluttering around when you develop something. So that's pretty much about it. As so far, I feel like it's positive, and let me know your thoughts on the comment box. Thank you.